Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture series on LaTeX. In this video, we are going to learn what is LaTeX and how to download and install it. TeX is a typesetting program that was invented by Donald Knuth in 1997. TeX is specifically useful for typesetting mathematical documents and other documents containing complicated symbols and formatting. But it was not so easy to use TeX. So it was further simplified by Lamport in 1985 and it was named as LaTeX. So now TeX is known as LaTeX. It is an easy to use version of TeX. Nowadays, TeX or LaTeX is distributed free as MikTeX for Microsoft Windows, Mac, and Linux, and other platforms like Windows and Ubuntu, Debian, and Fedora. But MikTeX doesn't work alone. It needs some editor. So for editor, we can choose one of the following: either TeXmaker, TeX Studio, TeXworks, Technic Center, or WinEdit. So there are many editor for LaTeX. So to use a LaTeX software, we need to install both MikTeX as well as one editor, which may be any one of these or any other editor also. One thing is very strange, which makes LaTeX is different from other like Microsoft Office, is that it is not a WYSIWYG. That is, what you see is what you get. That is, what we type in LaTeX, we may not get it as it is in output. Means we need to write some codes while coding, while writing some our mathematical expression or complicated expression in LaTeX. For offline use, LaTeX, one need to install MikTeX, which can be downloaded from the link miktex.org, and any editor from the following: TeXmaker, TeX Studio, TeXworks, Technic Center, WinEdit. The highlighted one, TeX Studio and WinEdit, are most famous. TeX Studio is absolutely free. MikTeX is also absolutely free, but some of editor maybe we may need to purchase them. Just like WinEdit, we need to purchase them. So this is for offline use. That is, we need to install this software MikTeX and then one of the editor. So what is recommended if you don't want download them separately, that is MikTeX and an editor, then we can go to this link www.ctex.org and we can visit that website and download a software named CTeX. So CTeX has everything: MikTeX, WinEdit, and other supplementary software which is needed. LaTeX can also be used online: overleaf.com, tutorialspoint.com, papiria.com, and cocalc.com. So there are many other websites where we can compile our code and get the desired result. Now we will see how to download it and use it offline, and how this software can be used online. So let us go to www.ctech.org. For this, we can go to ctech.org. CTech understood for Chinese tech. So here is the website. So here we can click on this one, v2.9.2.164. So we'll get to another page. So this is a website. We have here two versions. One is test version and another is stable version. So recommended is stable version. So just click over here. So it will redirect to another page. So here so many versions are there, but we need to download it in full. So this is the one 1.3 GB software. So we can just click over it and it will automatically start downloading. So I have already downloaded, so I'm just canceling it. So after download, we see the software. This is the software, and once we double click over it, so it will ask us whether we want to install it or not. So let us say yes. Then it will take a few seconds to load the setup. So usually it takes half an hour to install in a system, but it totally depends on the kind of system and system you are using. And so here we need to just click yes and then agree, and then we see here many things are there. MikTeX is already there, and CTech add-ons there, and Ghost script also there, GSView also there, and WinEdit also there. So which it is recommended that when we are installing it first time, we can install everything. If you want to install something, only something, suppose you want to install something only WinEdit I want, so I will check WinEdit and other is unchecked. But we need to everything, so just check everything and then proceed next. So it will ask the path. So just give the path, or we can also by default it is in C drive CTech it will install. Okay. So this is not highlighted because I have already installed. So this is the default path of this one. So we can just click on here install, and it will take roughly 20 to 30 minutes to install, and depend on the processor. So because I have already installed this software, so I'm just going back and canceling it. Okay. So this is how we can install it, and then I will let you everyone know how to use it as software. Okay. So to use it online, we can go to overleaf.com or any of these website. So to use it online on overleaf.com, we can go to overleaf.com. It is also this is free, but for if you want some more facility over here on this website, then we need to pay something. For premium version we need to pay, otherwise simply we can edit, we can share it also with our friends or with our collaborator. So this is the web page of this one. So to use this one, we can go to register. So, or we can also use register with the help of ORCID. So it will redirect. I'm just using this one. So go to, you can select some of your ID. So I'm just selecting this one, and because I've already logged in, already registered, so I have been redirected here. So these are my files I have I have created, or if someone has shared with me. then those files will always be there until I am deleting them. So to start to use start using it, we need to write new project and then a blank project, then project name, and then we can start using. So I'll explain how to start using it on this platform also, and on when we install that CTEX software also. Other way, if you don't want to install CTEX, then we can go to mictech.org to download mictech. mictech.org. So we can go there, and we can so there are so many versions are there, so we can go to download, and then we can choose for this is portable edition from here. So we can go to all downloads, then we can basic installer or basic installer for 32-bit. So net installers, there are so many versions, and depending on the system kind of system we are having, we can download some. But this mictech can also be downloaded from this site .ctech.org. Let us see how we can do. We can just we can click here. We can click here, on CTEX. Maybe some other place. Let us see this one on stable version CTEX, and then we see here mictech is there, so we can click over here mictech, and then we can there are things. It is also suggesting to go to mictech.org and then download from here. They cannot distribute independently. They need to keep some link and all for that one. So this is not working. Anyway, so thing is that we can directly go here and then download it. And for downloading editor, so many editor, we can visit just like Tech Studio. Suppose we are going for Tech Studio, so we can go techstudio.org, and other Technic Center is there, and then WinEdit is there. The popular is Tech Studio and WinEdit. So there is some problem. So let us go to winedit.com. So here we have this website. This is editor, and this is not only LaTeX program or LaTeX coding we can write, but also we can write HTML code also in this one, in this editor. Okay, so this is one of the most used editor for LaTeX. So we can go to downloads, and then we can download any of this suitable to our computer system. So but the thing is that this is not free. After sometimes for 31 days it is free, but after that it requires registration. But when we install CTEX, what I told earlier, from here, then we do not need to pay anything, any price for this one, and it is totally free. mictech, of course mictech is free, but from there the CTEX they are giving, the WinEdit they are giving is also free. So with this I will stop now. In the next lecture, in this sequence, we will learn how to create a simple file or document in LaTeX. Thank you.